Hey everybody, thanks for clicking in again. Hey, today we're at Carden Beach. These are luxury condos and villas right on the water in estate Coakley Bay. The one we're going to look at today is a 6-bedroom, 6-bath villa. Not a lot of properties on St. Croix have that much space. Here's a little sneak peek for you. Bedroom number 1, number 2, number 3, 4, 5, and last but not least, number 6. You see what I mean? And every one of those bedrooms is beautifully furnished, professionally decorated, just waiting for a new owner. And don't forget, there's a big kitchen, a nice big family room, formal dining room, formal living room, 2-car garage, private pool, and an amazing view. Runs all the way from Christiansted all the way to Buck Island to the east. This place is incredible. I think you're gonna love it. Let's go look at it more closely. Okay, I'm starting out in the driveway. This is the 2-car garage, additional parking to the right. There's an underground propane tank there which serves the property. And then come around into the formal entry. There is a connection inside the garage through the laundry room as well. So if you're just coming home, you wouldn't necessarily have to use this entry, but beautiful aluminum entry gate into a nice entry foyer. You've got sliders to the left, which go into a bedroom, sliders to the right, which go into the formal dining room. And then notice power roll down shutter protects these beautiful double doors. Come straight in and badam, check this out. So beautiful. Cove lighting all through around above the chandelier. Super nice at night. And then out these sliders onto the pool patio. Check out the view and the pool. Nice little dining set on the end there. Another one in the shade here. Then here we are looking out at the view all the way down to Pole Point in Christiansted. And then off to the east, right out to Buck Island. Just an amazing, amazing spot. Super private, up the top of the hill here. And then here we are back in the shaded outdoor dining area. Great place for chilling. This connects into the family room, so if you open this all up, you'd have a really nice flow. All right, let's head back in and check out the house. Straight off the pool patio and into this beautiful formal living room. Just gorgeous. There's your front doors. Windows on either side of the TV. Look out to the beautiful rolling hills of 7 hills, and all for the better. And then here we are going into guest bedroom number 1 with a full bath here. Walk-in closet here. And just a beautiful, another little view out to the hills. Really nice and green out there right now. This is the tower. So above is another bedroom. This used to be an office years ago, and you could turn it back into that if you didn't need 6 bedrooms. It does have the walk-in closet, so it'd be a good place for supplies and storage. And then you do have the full bath, all recently renovated, all brand new. And a nice shower here with beautiful tile, multi-zone shower. Just really high quality. Pocket door coming in. Really nice. Okay, that's 1 bedroom, 1 bath. Off to the right, we've got the formal dining room and the kitchen around the corner. Let's go there next. Check out this beautiful kitchen. Amazing. Tons of space. Beautiful quartz countertops were just installed recently. Got a chest-height microwave. I love that. Easy access. Oven below. And check out the room you got to work here. Got an appliance garage at the bottom. Quartz countertops wrap around. Gas stovetop. Awesome mural. Even got a little bar area over there with your wine cooler. Just gorgeous. And this adjacent family room is just the bomb. I mean, you'd be loving spending time in here with your family, watching the game, prepping the meal. Just a fantastic space. You'll spend a lot of time here. And if you don't want to eat dinner or breakfast at the bar, you can head straight past the pantry area into the formal dining room. Look at that. Got nice cove lighting above, built-in speaker. Just an amazing place to have friends over for dinner. You could open up those sliders for additional breeze if you wanted to shut down the AC, but just a gorgeous, gorgeous place. All right, that's this lower level area. We're gonna head over to the bedrooms. There's 3 of them down there, and their master suites over here. Let's head this way. Right down the hall to the right and into guest bedroom number 2. This one's got a queen bed closet to the left and a beautiful ensuite bath. This actually has a tub as well, which is kind of a little bonus, especially if you have, little ones here. This would be a great room for that. And then straight across into the stripe room. This one really reminds me of Carlton Varney. He's a very well-known decorator, and this is totally his style. This is not wallpaper, by the way. This is painted, so you don't have to worry about that peeling off. And then another ensuite bath in the corner through the pocket door. Beautiful shower. Cute little pedestal sink in the corner. Now, there's another bedroom here that connects through this door, which is a closeout. You can close this out and still have private access through its own exterior door, which is a real nice feature. Great as a mother-in-law's suite, or somebody just wants a little extra privacy. Gives them direct access straight out to the parking area. Love these high ceilings, these 8-foot doors everywhere you look, including the exterior door. And again, as with every bedroom, another gorgeous ensuite bath. All newly renovated, all high quality, super nice. All right, let's reconnect the two bedrooms. This would be a great party zone for little kids. If you're having some kids, this could be like the little kids wing, if you will. All right, before we head down and check out the master bedroom, we're going to continue down the hall and check out the laundry room and the garage. Okay, right at the end of the hall, we'll go into the really nice laundry room. You've got utility sink, full-size washer dryer, lots of cabinetry for storage. And then through the next door, you're in the garage. So if you're coming home, you'd park in here, and then you would use that entryway to get into the house on a day-to-day basis. But check this out. It's really like a 2.5 garage. I haven't actually measured it, but it feels a lot bigger than a 2. You've got an awesome whole house water filter system here by Aquasana, including ultraviolet light. That's an amazing system, one of the nicest ones I've ever seen. New water heater off in the corner here. And then we'll head straight back in, go down to the end of this hall, and to the right is the master bedroom. Straight in the door we come, down the hall, past the 2 walk-in closets, and then here we are right in this beautiful master suite. Just a gorgeous, gorgeous room. So beautifully decorated. Double doors lead right out to the pool, so if you want to take a morning swim, have a little morning coffee maybe. What a great setting this is. Maybe a little evening bubbly. And I love the detail work in this house. It's so beautiful. Notice the keystone, reminiscent of the Danish architecture. A lot of nice details. Beautiful room. Okay, the bathroom's down at the end of the hall, but on the left, you've got walk-in closet 1, walk-in closet 2, and then you come straight into the master bath. Big bathroom. Lots of pantry storage there. Separate pocket door leads into a totally private water closet. And then here you are looking back at the double vanities. Beautiful tall shower. Double heads. Pebble flooring. Nice. All right, got one more bedroom to check out, and that's up in the tower. Let's head back out and climb some steps. Back into the living room, out the front door, and up these beautiful steps. Love this railing. That's a custom-built aluminum epoxy painted railing. Lasts forever. Once you get right up to the top, you come straight in to this awesome tower bedroom. Now remember, this is up above the curved bedroom below. Just now we're on the second level. Queen size bed. Nice little sitting area here. You can actually put a little kitchenette in here if you wanted to. Lots of closets. And then into a nice big shower, water closet, vanity, bathroom with a view. Gorgeous. This is a great guest suite. If you're coming to visit, this is the one you want to call the dibs on. Super comfy. All right, everybody, that's it. Appreciate you watching the video. Hope you liked it. If you're interested in the house, give us a call. We'd love to show it to you. It's one beautiful place. You will not be disappointed. In the meantime, have a beautiful, awesome St. Croix day. Bye-bye. I really hope you guys enjoyed that property tour. If you did, Please subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking here. Click up here for more videos just like it. We'd love to see you move to beautiful St. Croix. Maybe one of these days we can make one of these awesome properties all yours.